You all are doing good. It's been a while since I've come online. So I thought it's been quite long. I should come online. It's been like ages I've come online. Is that right? Is that not right? So I'm gonna wait for some time till you all come live and then we are going to start. Let's say hi everyone. What's up with you all? Hope you all are doing good. It's been ages. Am I audible, guys? So today we are going to discuss about your person's current energies, what you should expect, what their next move can be towards you, and whether or no contact, separation, couple, commitment, whatever you are looking forward for, we are going to deep dive in this particular situation. We are also going to check if there is any third party situation also happening in this particular connection, and accordingly we'll see. All right, let's see. So guys, quickly connect to my energies by liking this particular video, and energy exchange is always important. Okay, nothing is free in this world, so in case if you're watching this particular video, please do follow and like this particular video. Now say your person's name, take 3 deep breaths, click on the like button and comment I claim. All right, and this particular reading is meant to find you today. Let's see, it is a timeless reading, so no matter whenever you are coming across to this particular video, it is meant to find you at that very moment, even if you're watching this after a year, doesn't matter. Let's see. So what are the current thoughts and feelings of my viewers, of my audience watching this particular video, who has connected with my energies by liking and dropping I claim in the comment section? What are their person's energies? All right, 4 of Wands, 7 of Cups, 5 of Pentacles, and the Sun card. I feel that somewhere down the line there has been a lot of confusion when it comes to the commitment. A lot of options, either there are chances that there are a lot of options, or it is also possible that with the 7 of Cups, I do see that there is a lot of confusion, a lot of mess which is going on in their mind. They're self-conflicted right now, and they are getting all, and they're messing up the situation or the connection with you because of all the confusion and options available. Or even if they don't have an option, I do see that there are chances that they have so many things at hand right now that they are not able to make a decision as to what and how. I mean, what is their priority, and who they should prioritize first. So definitely there is a lot of confusion. 4 of Wands tells me that few of you may be looking for a marriage proposal to come in. I do see that there are chances that you're looking forward to get a marriage commitment from this person, and this person is getting a little confused whether you are the one for them or not. So there's a lot of mess and confusion and options out there. Let me know in case if this particular reading resonates. In case if it is not resonating right now, just stay a moment. Let's do a deeper dive. All right, 5 of Pentacles. Somebody has left you, betrayed you. You are feeling very lonely right now, or they are feeling very lonely right now, because something tells me there has been some past abandonment issues. If they have not abandoned you or you have abandoned them, I do see that there are some past abandonment issue in this particular connection. I do see that there is a lot of loneliness which is involved. Be it you are feeling lonely or they are feeling lonely, but there is a lot of loneliness which is there. With the Sun card, I do see that there is also a After loneliness, after darkness, there is a ray of hope. So I feel that they are now coming out of the confusion. Maybe in the recent past or right now, they may have rejected you, they may have pushed you away, or they may have said no for the commitment, or they may have said no for the marriage or something, or the relationship. But now all of a sudden they are coming out of the confusion, because when you backed up, okay, when you backed from this particular situation, probably majority of you feel that you may have given up on the situation. That is when they started feeling lonely, you stopped chasing them. That is when they started feeling lonely, and now they do understand that you are the one for them. And they can't, they can't just um, go on in their life like this. So they are feeling lonely, and they are regretting of what they have done, and they see and they understand that the joy, the real joy what they felt in life was with you. So they are now coming out of all the confusion of all the options that they had in hand. They are now gaining that particular clarity, and they are coming forward towards you with this beautiful marriage commitment. The Hierophant tells me that there is this commitment that they want to go ahead and give to you. The Hierophant tells me that they are gearing up. Okay, they are realizing this, and they are gearing up. They are coming forth with the marriage commitment, and they want to be with you. They want to propose to you. The Ace of Cups tells me that this particular situation is going to happen soon. The Ace of Cups tell me that the emotions are running really, really, really high. They can't contain their emotions anymore, and they can't their love, their emotions are overflowing right now, and they want to express their emotions towards you, and they are going to propose you very, 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 very soon. They are going to come forward, they are going to propose to you. And with the Three of Cups, I do see that, in upcoming 3 days or 3 weeks, maybe even 3 hours, who knows, they may even come forward, they may even call you, they may even message you, they may even text you. And there's a lot of enjoyment, and there's a lot of and there's a lot of I think when they are going to call you, you are going to feel on top of the world. You are going to feel very happy. With the Six of Cups, I do feel that they are missing you a lot. Okay, this loneliness has caused them this realization. This loneliness has caused them a lot of this loneliness has actually caused them a lot of realizations, epiphanies, illuminations. There's a lot of back and forth things that has been going on in their mind. And right now, if you ask me, I have received so many cups card. They're missing you. They're very emotional about you. They are madly, deeply in love with you, and they are going to break this no contact situation with you. They are going to call you. They are going to receive. You are going to receive this call pretty soon, and they are going to come forward. They are going to ask you out for dinner. They are going to ask you out for drinks. They are going to meet you face to face, because I do see not even 3 hours, maybe in 3 hours you may even receive a call right now, today itself. I would not be surprised. Do come back, let me know in the comment section if that happened or not. King of Cups, they haven't told you of lately how much how they felt, how emotional they felt for you. I feel that this person has been somebody who is not very expressive, but now they are going to express it to you. They are going to tell you what they felt, how they felt, and their cup of love, like I said, is overflowing. They are quite emotional. Their cup of love is overflowing. They are going to come forward towards you. They are going to speak to you. And the Knight of Pentacles again tells me that this particular connection took a while. They took really, really, really long to come forward towards you. But now I see with the Knight of Pentacles, they are going to come forward, and they are going to give you that security, that stability. You may be dealing with a Leo, you may be dealing with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, you may be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So the Star. So I do see that, this connection, this person now is going to give you a lot of hope, a lot of stability, a lot of security. Maybe an Aquarian as well you may be dealing with. I've received Star cards, so I see hope. So do not leave hope. In case if you've been wondering what is going to happen next, and if you're giving up, so this is your sign. The universe is sending it across to you. This is your sign. Do not give up on this love. Do not give up on this particular connection, because the reunion is around the corner. This person is going to propose to you. This person is going to break the no contact. This person is going to come forward towards you, and there is a lot of security and stability that is going to come in your life because of this. And the timeline that I see is max to max a week's time. Okay, a week's time, a week to 3 weeks time. All right, then we have the Seven of Wands. The Seven of Wands yet again tells me that in case if you have pushed them away, or in case if they have pushed you away, or in case if you have blocked each other, one person has blocked somebody, please do go ahead and unblock them if you are the one. Otherwise, I do see in case if they have pushed you and they have blocked you, they are soon going to unblock you. And I do see that whatever energies, the stubborn energies that was surrounding this particular connection, I do see that is going to get over. The Six of Wands, you are going to feel on top of the world. You are going to feel very happy. I see you are going to feel very successful. I see you are going to you are going to get what you really wanted. The Ten of Swords, whatever betrayals, whatever pain, sorrow that you have gone through, that particular cycle is now coming to an end, and you are going to feel really, really, really happy and top of the world. Ten of Cups, here comes the commitment. So in case, guys, if this particular reading resonated with you, so people who are live right now, and if you wish to book a reading or a spell work with me, you can anytime DM me right now. Also, in case if you've been wondering how to make this particular thing, entire thing, how to fast track this entire thing, I would suggest a 21 days love combo, or I would suggest a love reconciliation and communication spell work. You can go ahead, you can book it right now. You can DM me right now. You can WhatsApp me. The link is in the bio, and I would be happy to help you out. And meanwhile, if this is your situation and something grows, do let me know in the comment section. Meanwhile, I'm going to take your leave, and I'm going to come again live, maybe here or YouTube. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I do often post long format videos on my YouTube as well. So I'm going to take your leave. In case if you want to book a spell work, again, 21 days love combo or love 7 days love reconciliation spell work is the one for you. If there is a third party involvement as well, you can directly speak to me, and I'll let you know which spell work to go for. Bye-bye and take care.